Good morning students. Today I am going to explain you about length. See the chapter. First of all, what is length? Length is the distance from one end to the other end of an object. How do we measure length? See, centimeter, meter, kilometer. So in this chapter we have to read about the measurement of the length by centimeter, meter or kilometer. We know it is a very important formula, you have to remember it. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and we have to also known about the standard unit of length is meter, the smallest unit of length is millimeter. Question is, name any 5 things sold by a shopkeeper by measuring length. किसी भी 5 ऐसे चीज़ के नाम बताएं जो दुकानदार द्वारा बेचे जाते हैं और जिनको हम लोग जिनकी माप जो है वो हम लोग लेंथ में करते हैं. यू कैन राइट मैनी थिंग्स. यू कैन राइट ladder, you can write television, you can write window frames, fork, length of book, you can write book. So any 5 things. You can write clothes also. Clothes is also measured in meter or centimeter. So ladder, television भी मेज़र किया जाता है इंचेस में, isn't it? Measuring tape, you can write measuring tape, you can write scale also. Next is find the length of any 3 objects in your classroom. आपके क्लासरूम में कोई भी 3 ऑब्जेक्ट के लेंथ को फाइंड करना है. जैसे यू कैन टेबल, यू सिट ऑन बेंचेस ना, so you can write about your table, blackboard, okay, and what duster. You can write the length of all these. Question 3 is, which unit will you choose to express the following? You have to write the unit, whether in which unit you have to measure all these things. Here you have to read about centimeter, meter and kilometer. So from these 3 measuring units, what will we use here? First is height of a telephone pole. टेलीफोन का जो पोल होता है उसके हाइट को क्या चीज़ में मेज़र करेंगे. सो राइट योरसेल्फ. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड आगरा. किसी भी प्लेस के डिस्टेंस को, दूरी को हम लोग किलोमीटर में तय करते हैं. हम लोग ये लिखेंगे दिल्ली और आगरा के बीच में कितनी दूरी है. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन अर्थ एंड मून. Length of your skirt or shorts, height of your study table, length of a road. So right here. Next is conversions. Converting bigger unit into smaller unit. How you convert bigger into smaller unit? You have to convert meter into centimeter. Okay. Here converting meter into centimeter formula is given. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter into 100, 1 into, here you have to convert 1 meter into centimeter. So what you have to do, just multiply 1 into 100 because the formula is here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In the same way, if you have to find out 2 meter, 5 meter, 17 meter, what will you have to do? Just multiply into 100. Okay, 5 meter, 5 into 100, 500 centimeter, 17 into 100, 1700 centimeter. Okay, in this way you have to find out. Let's see the second page. Converting kilometer into meters. When you have to convert kilometer को मीटर में कैसे बनाते हैं. इट इज गिवन 1 किलोमीटर इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. सो 1 kilometer you have to convert in meter. You just multiply 1 into 1000 meter. The answer comes in meter. 1000 meter. 7 किलोमीटर है तो 7 को 1000 मीटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. इट विल बी 7000 मीटर. In the same way you have to do 9 kilometer or 21 kilometer. You do yourself. Converting meter and centimeter into centimeter. Here both the unit meter and centimeter, and you have to make it centimeter. How will you do? See here, it is given 4 मीटर है और 50 सेंटीमीटर है. सो 4 इंटू 4 मीटर को हम लोग 100 सेंटीमीटर से डिवाइड करेंगे. 4 मीटर को 100 सेंटीमीटर से डिवाइड करने पे वो 400 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. एंड 50 सेंटीमीटर इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. सो जस्ट ऐड 50 to 400. 50 to 400. It will be what? 450 centimeter. In the same way, here kilometer and meter is given. 6 kilometer 250 meter is given. You have to change all this into meter. So just convert kilometer को हम लोग मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. एंड 250 इज ऑलरेडी हियर इन मीटर. सो जस्ट कन्वर्ट 6 किलोमीटर. सो यू हैव टू व्हाट यू डू, just multiply 6 into 1000, that is 6000, and then add 250, it is 6250 centimeter. In the same way you have to do this worksheet. Do yourself. That's all. Thank you.